to mountain and get down. Similarly, if the exam is over, I am a fellow very much relaxed. So stress phenomenon induces irritable bowel syndrome. In the southern states of India, large number of IBS cases are reported. Why? Because the education status. Unemployment problem is, what is your qualification? MSc, PhD. What is your job? No job, no duty. So IBS. So I have so much qualified. I have been attending a very good university. I have been honored by many agencies. But the problem is there is unemployment. So this scenario leading to irritable bowel syndrome of diarrhea type. In such a case, Bayashoka Atisara principle wherein Santwana, Harshana, Satvamaya Tiksa, Di Dhairya, Atma, Di Vijnanam, Mano Doshoshadam Param, Manaso, Jnana Vijnanam, Dhairya, Smriti, Samadhi. In such a way, you have to address the patient followed by Prayoga of Sangraka Basti. So this Sangraka Basti containing Amravanja, Bilvafala, Bilvashalatu, Kapita. Whenever Kapita comes, Kapita has got a very beautiful story. Yesterday also I was telling in a class. Kapita, Kaha Pitta, Kapita. Now, Kapita if you give for a patient of Vidatta, patient number A, he will feel very severe Amratva. So you have given an Amratva. What is the taste of the phala? It is Mother and Amla. If you give to a case of another patient with a Pitta dominant condition, he will feel there is Tiktasita, Jwara patient. So in Pitta Jwara, if the Kapita is given, he will be appreciating the Tiktasita. A patient of Vidatta will feel there is Amlatva, and if you give him Dinama Pitta, he will feel Madhuratva and Amlatva. It is the Tadarthakariki and Parish of the Kapita. Similarly, Shunti is another drug. If the Shunti is given in Amrapitta or Pittadika Dharani, patient will feel irritation, burning, discomfort. In Amaya Dharani, if the Shunti is given, he will feel, yes doctor, your Shunti is helping like anything. I believe that Shunti is Ajimatu. No, Shunti is a wonderful Vishwabeshika, and Shunti Kalpanas like Naganamrata Harita Pinam, Nagahasta Nayanam Bhagasha, but is quoted in Amaya need to be encouraged in this case. Therefore, Deepana, Pachana, Sangrahaka and Sangrahaka Vastivid, Purisha Sangrahani Mashamahakashaya. We had a great challenge when patients of IBS comes. How to select the Sneha Dravya, that is Sneha Dravya for Vasti. So, by the permutation and combinations of Sunishannaka Changeri Kritam or the Changeri Adhikata. We know Changeri Adhikata is a great yoga in Gradi Prakarana. In Murpagda, Murdrav Prakarana, as well as in IBS of diarrhea type, Purisha Sangrahaniya Mahakashaya Sadhya Vasti, with the number of cases it has been proved, and we have published an article. You can see Dr. Raghavendra, my student, who is working in Coimbatore, along with the guys, myself. So many cases, about 40 cases we have studied in the Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences. The dissertation is being submitted. So that Deepana, Pachana, Sangrahaka, followed by Prayoga of Kaidarya Kashaya. Now Karashaka Kashaya and Kaidarya are little difference. Kaidarya is from Chikitsa Mandiri. In the morning, doctor was telling regarding the Chikitsa Mandiri, a question was there. Chikitsa Mandiri is a very good, very great guideline for any Chikitsa. Many yogas are told. So in that Malayalam version Sloka says that Chukkon the moon, 1 part of Shunti, moon the Karivepa, 3 parts of Kaidarya, Patova, Patya, Nannaval. So Patova and Patya, 4 parts each. Yeteshu Yogam, Jatareshu Yogyam. The third line says in Sanskrita. Fourth line is in Malayalam, third line is Sanskrita. So Malayalam and Sanskrit combination, why? Easy to remember. So the thing is that why he had to remember it well, and he had to prepare the kalpa, he had to execute the patient. So this yoga, Kaidarya, I have studied in a very great sense in selecting cases of non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, fatty liver cases. Fatty liver cases, because Vidyasagar was asking a question, fatty liver, pancreatitis, Gradi Roga, Ashanka, Gradi, Gulma, Trihadi, different Vyapadani, collective problems in the gastroenterology. So in fatty liver, the hepatocytes are getting overloaded or linked by the fat content. That is one of the areas. There is a degenerative aspect in between the hepatocannular and hepatocytes, NASH, non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, in which patient will not give the history of alcoholism for a prolonged period because medo vahani dushyanti varunyam chatisevanam. Varuni sevana it is not even, but even then, just like a varuni sevita alcoholic individual, the liver is getting targeted beyond 11.3 centimeter of liver is getting increased. So, fatty liver and other areas, the fibrotic changes. What is how about Kaidarya Kashaya? So, we have been studying in a very larger way in the RGHS PhD studies, Department of R&D. Kaidarya Yoga, Ganavati Vyapanote, and all the extracurricular pharmacological studies have been conducted, cross-matching studies also conducted. Drug identification has been thoroughly done by MSc medicinal plant experts. However, Kaidarya, Shunti, Patya and Patola. Shunti, Patya and Patola, the fourth drug. In Kalashakadi, there are only 3 drugs. Patola is added. Patola is Bedania and Sara. So in non-alcoholic steatohepatitis like liver disorders, in a patient where there is steatoria, means patient may expel Neha Padartha along with Mala, he may expel. Why? Snigdha Pravartana is one of the findings in Grahani Roga, in Kapaja Grahani and Amaja Grahani. So fat bodies will start floating over the water. Madhyatyama, Gurutvacha, Vitupakkalama, Utpravejale, Vinati Dravasandratva. So in such a case, when this combination is given, initially Malapravartana will take place. Then you will see a great change in the liver function test. Serum, there is serum bilirubin component, reversed back because hepatic or canal obstruction is getting relieved. The Srotoroga, whatever the Sandhatmaka Vikriti that is getting targeted. Saravana, the Pitta will be allowed. Sarva Anuloma Prokta. So Anulomana in the form of Sara, Anulomana in the form of Chala. Further, what happens? The Pramati action of the combination. Nirasyati Pramati Syat Srotebhyo Dosha Sanchayam Tadyata Maricham Vacha. So Maricha, whenever Trikatu is addressed, students of Dravya Guna will come. So Shunti is a great Rasayana and Russia. There is no formulation in the globe which is not having Shunti. Pippali is that great Rasayana and it is Avrishya. In Vimanam it is called Charakuvimanam. But Maricha is neither a Rasayana nor a Russia drug. Maricha is Deepeka, Maricha is Katu, it is Virukshana. How come the Trikatu plays a major role as Deepana, Kafagana and in Kapakasa? In wherever there is Srota Sangha, the Trikatu is given. Deepanam, Pachanam Chaiva, and Nirasati Pramati Syatu, Nidavirina, Yadravyam, Srota Dosa, Tadyata Maritam Vacha. So this combination of the Kaidarya and other Deepana Pachanam Dravya, like Patola Mula Kashaya, Ganavati, Vasa Guruchya Kashaya, Ganavati, and a patient comes with features of Admana, Atopa, and Neha Padartha, which is present in the form of the fat bodies, steatoria in non-alcoholic hepatitis, Sangraka Dravyas, Sangraka Basti, etc. And Ushnodakapana is also that great. Regarding Ushnodaka, in Jwarachikitsa, the basic line of reference. Attamena Amsasheshena, Chaturtena, Ardhakena va, Athava Patanenaiva, Siddham Ushnodakam Bhate. So there is boiled water, just you boil it and give. It is having Madhurasa and Guru, probably in Vata dominant condition, Vata Grahani. Chaturtena Ardhakenava, Chaturtha Avashishta Jala will become Ishat Madhura, therefore in Pittadic condition. Ardhakenava, it is in Vata Paithika condition, and Shodashavashishta, Ashtavashishta Jala, it becomes more and more Kashaya. so which is in Amaja and Kavaligrani. So, Deepana, Pachana, Pramati, Srota Srota Chikisa, followed by Sangraka Vesha and designing Sangraka Vasti and other yogas, Ambattadi yoga. In Sushruta, we will get Ambattadi Gana. Ambatta is nothing but Pata. So, Dravya containing Patadi Varga. So, Patadi Varga is also Sangraka, Sambhana, including Shardharana, because one should not forget regarding the Shardharana. One more reference, what you have to pick up is from the Vatavya Chikisa, that is Koshtagata Vata. In Grani Roga, Koshtashite Dushto, Nigraho Mutra Vatasoho, Gulma, Hrudraga, Vartma, Varmoma, Hrudraga. So, Gulma, Hrudraga and Arshad Vikritis are produced in Koshtagata Vata. So there is a variant condition of Grani Roga, Kostage Kshara Churnadhya, Kshara and Churna Preva. Ajamodadi, Kapistartaka Churna, along with Dhadimataka Churna and other Agnisandipana Churna, Kostage Kshara Churnadhya, Kshara Yoga. Kshara is nothing but Kalyanaka Kshara and Shivakshara Pachana Churna. So in this series of Grani Roga, when I was going through the reference, I had cases called as A, B, C, D. What is A? Krisha, patient with the Grani Roga with a severe emaciation, Shushkatvat. So, a Krisha Rogi comes with Shushkas, Pigudara, Griva, Damani, Jara Sampataha, Twagasti, Sheshova, Narova, Atikshamchate. See, doctor, since last 6 months, I am getting frequent loser stools. My problem is pain abdomen. My problem is giddiness. I am unable to take the food in a proper time and no appetite only, no interest. There is virusya, arochaka and with that, Shushka speak, gluteal emaciation, Shushka udara, abdominal emaciation, Shushka griva, prominence of the blood vessels and clavicular prominence, Damani, Jala Santataha, blood vessels are prominent. Twagasti Sheshova, Twagasti Shoshova, Narova, Atikashovchati. So, series of Grani Rogi with Krishavastha. Shoshavastha, Krisha, Kshama. So, second one is Kshama. Now, what is Kshama? If there is dehydration, we will call as Kshama, Varagala Pidita. So, due to drought, government of Karnataka visited such and such place, there is no water. When the heart of the tattva is removed from the body, it is called Kshama. How to treat and address the Kshama Rogi? So you have to give him Shadangapani, you have to give him Karjuradi Manta, you have to give him Brahmana and Valya Dravyas. So in Madate Roga, why the Karjura Manta is called Karjura Dadina, Tintidika, Sabarushika, Amrika, Ammanakana, Kruto Manta Sarva Mutya Vikaram, because it is a very good oral rehydration supplement therapy. In the TV program, one thought exchange program was going on. Authority from the community medicine, authority from Ayurveda, authority from homeopathy, and they were sitting, questions were asked to various authorities. Then Ayurveda doctor called me, sir, is there any oral rehydration solution mentioned in Ayurveda? So, Karjura Manta, Chincha Panaka, Amradi Yavagu should be the correct answer. So, what we study in Bharshati Kaptana, we have to just recommend to our patient, that's all. So, Krisha, Kshama, Shosha and Durbala. Who is Shosha? When the Rasadi doctors are getting emaciated, from the Rasad to Shukra and to the Ojas, if there is severe emaciation, with weight loss, he should be called as Shosha Pidita, and Shosha Lakshanas are also being present. And who is Durbala? When the ball of the author is getting reduced and his honey is Durbala. So in patients of Grani Roga, you will get 4 different aspects. If he is Krisha, you will go for Ragu Santarpana Chikisa. You should be Deepana and Santarpani. Thank you.
In continuation with the Chikitsa, I conclude Grani Chikitsa in very short way. Whenever you diagnose Grani, don't start drugs, because that Agni is unable to digest the drug. Ayurvedic or modern. So start with Ushnodaka Panam, then give Pratyahara Kandanam, Mandapeya, Vilepi, up to Vilepi you can give. After that, Churna Prayoga should be tried. Bhunimbali Churnam is one of the right choice of Grahani Roga Chikitsa. If you don't remember anything, the carry home message for Grahani is number 1, Bhunimbali Churnam. Number 2, Shadharana Yogam acid by Dr. Prashant sir. Number 3, Sanjeevani Vati. Sanjeevani Vati you cannot forget. Understand? Sanjeevani Vati is one of the best choice for treating Grahani Yoga. And later on, what you have to understand is, you have to improve the Deepana Pachana in such a way that not by Rasaushadis. You try Deepana Pachana with Asavarishtas. Asavarishta Pustakarishtam. Asavarishta will be Chitrakasavam. These Asavarishta Kalpana should begin, then Brahmana should begin. At the end of the treatment, Brahmana is the final authority for Grahani Chikitsa. Because for a sustained period of time, you have to maintain Samyak Agni. I want to quote Shloka number 73 to 81. Grahani Mashitam Dosham Leenam Pakvashayastam Va Amam Sravyam Sadipanaihi. Amam Sravyam. When Amavastha is there, you Sravya Chikitsa. Sravana Chikitsa. Yatkinchit Sravayati. That Sravana Kara Chikitsa should be given. Sharirānugate Same Rase Langana Pachanam. And then Dvayam Trayam Va Samsayam Svinna Vyaktam Niruhe. After Deepanadi Yogas, once Amavastha is finished, give Niruha Basti. Niruha Basti Tata Erenda Tailena Sarpisha Tailvakena Cha Saksharena Anige Shante Srastha Doshe Virechana. See, in Sraste Sravyam Sadipanaihi Srastam Vireche. If the doshas are ready to go out, Srastam means they are ready to go out, ready to leave the body, then Virechana should be given. Where I used Ruksha Virechana with either Trivrut Churnam. Trivrut Churnam has got in Kalpasthana various anupanas that can be tried, or Adipattikara Churnam, Trifala Churnam, Amalaki Churnam. Then after that, Shuddham Rukshashayam Baddham Archasam Anuvase. Once the Ashaya is Ruksha, when Grahani Ashaya becomes Ruksha, Anuvasana Basti should be given. After that, Deepaniya Amla Vatagna Siddha Tailena Matraya. We should be given the Anuvasana Basti should be Deepaniya Amla Vatagna Siddha Tailena Matraya. Nirodam cha Viriktam cha Samyak Anuvasitam Lagu Annam Pratisambhuktam Sarpivi Abhyasayitina. See, once Nirodha Basti, Anuvasana Basti is finished, you should do Sarpi Abhyasayit. Sarpi Abhyasa. You can remember in Ashtanga Sharirasthana, where he says in Shukra Dosha Chikitsa, Tam Basti Shilita Secha, word is used. Basti Shilita means repeatedly Basti should be given. There is no count. It is not Kala Karmadi Vedera, Matra Kala Karmadi Vedera. It is not like that. Shilayat means repeatedly Basti should be given. Here, Sarpi Abhyasayat. Either Shuddha Sarpi or Samskarita Sarpi should be practiced. It should be given for a longer time. Otherwise, the Grahani will not improve. Then Acharya will quote about the Trayushanadi Yuddha and Takrarishtam. Chitrakari Gudika and Takrarishtam. This Takrarishta Prayoga, Takra is also good, Takrarishta is also good. Takra is Kashayam and Takra is Madhura. And it is going to give you Vatapitta Kafaharam. That's why either Takra Prayogam, Shuddha Takra Prayogam or Takrarishta Prayogam. Takrarishta is available in the market and Takrarishta Prayoga is also shown very good result. After that, we can think about one concept of Avastika Chikitsa you can remember. Swasthanagatam Utkrishtam Agni Nirvapakam Misha Pittam Dratva Virekena Nirhare Vamanenava. If doshas are Utklesha towards upper side, Vamana should be given. If doshas are having Utklesha towards lower side, that is Urdhvaja Grahani, Adhoja Grahani. In Urdhvaja Grahani, Vamana, in Adhoja Grahani, Virechana should be given. And after that, Tasyagni Dipe Chunam Sarpir Vischakta Tiktave. Tikta Grita should be given, or Nagaradi Chunam and Bhunimbali Chunam. Without forgetting, remember this Bhunimbali Chunam. Bhunimbali Chunam, I can recommend this its quality. Gunimba Kataka Yosha, Mustaka Indriyavan Saman, Dau Chitrakat, Vatsakat Tovagan, Chodasha Chule, Budashi Tamuna Pitam, Grani Dosha Gulman. In any case of Grani Dosha and Gulma, this Gunimbadi Churna should be used. Without giving Budashi Tamuna, this Gunimbadi Churna can be given in Madhumeha. When patient is having Madhumeha, Madhumeha is also having Sama and Niramavastha. When Samavastha is there in Madhumeha, Stula Pramehi, Kledavan, and with some of the either Pidikas, and patient is having Agnimandim. This is Grani Dosha Lakshana. In Grani Dosha, why diabetes I am bringing into your kind notice is, in diabetes what happens is, there is insulin produced but insulin is not utilized. This is insulin is not utilized by the cell. Calcium is required to push the insulin inside the cell. This who will do? Vata is doing this. If you control Vata, calcium will push the insulin molecule inside the cell. Then the metabolism starts. For that, this Gunimba Katakadi Yoga, Gunimbadi Churna, Gunimbadi Kashayam is another yoga is there. When Ama Pitta or Sama Pitta is there, Gunimbadi Kashayam should be given. In Nirama Pitta is there, Patyadi Kashayam should be given in Grahani Yoga. Then Gunimbadi Churnam is another alternate is Kiratadi Churnam is next Prayoga by Acharya Charaka, Shloka number 140. This Gunimbadi Churna and Kiratadi Churna are powerful insulin sensitizers, anti-aging, anti-grahani, Kledaharan, Amaharan, and it is effective in fatty liver. You can use it for any case of hyperglycemia and glucotoxicity as well as lipotoxicity. In all these cross references, these two yogas can be used. After that, there is an explanation of Ballata Kadakam. Madhu Kasava is told. Madhu Kasava is told in two contexts. One is in Madhumeha, another is in Grani Yoga. This Grani Yoga Ashita Madhu Kasava contains Ballataka. So, Ballata Kasava, Durara Kasava, Moolasava. These Madhvarishta, Pindasava. All these Asavarishtas are told more in Grani Yoga Chikitsa. That's why after Deepana, Pachana, Churna Kalpa Prayoga, Churna Prayoga Kalpa should be followed by Asavarishtas. They are Lagu and they are going to increase the Agni, they are going to improve the appetite and patient will be improved. Gaulmike Shatpalam Proktam Ballata Kali Dhutam. In Gulma Roga, there is Shatpala Gutta is told. That Shatpala Gutta is Deepana, Pachana, Sangrahi and Vatanu. It can be given in any of the Grani Rogas of IBS, IBSD or IBD or Crohn's disease. And Ballata Gutta. Nowadays, I am using one of the product. It is not any advertisement. Seren Kottai Nei capsule is available. It is easy for consumption. One capsule body. Seren Kottai Nei. Seren Kottai is Ballatakam. Ballataka Gutta is indicated in Grani Yoga. One OD Ballataka Gutta capsule is available. If you tell patient take one capsule, they will take. If you tell Gutta again, they will ask many questions. And again, you see after Kshara Gutta Prayoga he is concluding, Shloka number 178, Krut Pandu Grani Dosha, Gulma Udavarta Shulami. That's why in my case studies, I have used Udara, Shota, and Udavarta and Gulma. All these cases, Savata, Gulma, Rudroga, Priya, Shinkicha, Manora was used. Pippari Mugadi Kshara is also told. We can do research on Kshara Utika, Chaturtha Kshara Prayogam, and Panchama Kshara Prayogam. In all these cases, actually there are a lot of areas to do research. And Sneha Meva Param Vidya Durbananana Deepam, Shloka number 201. Actually, Sneha Meva Param Vidya, Tiktakam Kritam, Shatpalam Kritam, Ballataka Kritam. These Tiktakam Kritam is one of the interesting thing is, it contains more of Amalaki. 50% Amalaki is there. So Tiktakam Kritam is antidepressant. Whenever you understand one more fact is there, Padartha Vijnana is highly research methodology. Yatra yatra Grani Dosha, Tatra Tatra depression. You see, most of the depression patients will have constipation or GAT problem. They will have GERD, they will have distension of the abdomen. OCD patient will have abdomen upset. Abdomen upset patient will have depression and OCD. Any of your roommate or friends saying, I am not hungry, take it granted it is not Grani, it is depression. Understand? And these cases of Grani and stress, granny and depression should be treated with Snehameo Paravidya Durbalanala Deepanam. So, Deepaniyagam, Pipalyadiyagam, and Tikkatam. And one more thing is Sakritam Lavanayutam Naro Annavagraham Pibe. Annavagraha Sneham. Avagraha Sneham is told. This Avagraha Sneham Prayoga is it is one of the Salavanam Annavagraham. This is one of the area you should do research in Panchakarma studies. Granny Roga should be treated. And lastly, Acharya says in 210 and 11 shloka, Mamsopachita Mamsatva Tatha Ashutara Durbanaha. You should give in 1 week 2 times Mamsarasa Prayogam. Any Mamsarasa Prayogam. For example, if your patient is vegetarian, don't give Mamsarasa Prayogam. You can give B12 injection. They will be very happy. All vegetarians will take B12 injection, but they will not take Mamsarasa Prayogam. B12 is extracted from the blood and extract of the blood only. So, Mamsopachita Mamsatva Tatha Ashutara Brahmana. Mamsarasa Prayoga is Ashu Brahmana. We can give any of the Mamsarasa Kalpas to the patient of Grahani. And there are a lot of Shamana Yogas which are having information. But in the end, what he says is, Iti Agnivesha Prade Tantre, Grahani Chikitsitam Nama Panchadoshodhyaya. Starts with Grahani Dosha Chikitsitam, ends with Grahani Chikitsitam. This is the beauty of reading Tantra Yukti in Samhita. Don't get confused. Grahani Dosham, Grahani Yogam are not much different. Grahani Dosham is Grahani Ashrita Vasapitta Kapha Chikitsam. Grahani Chikitsitam is treating Grahani as an entire organ. This is psycho-neuro-immuno-endocrinal concept. You are treating psychological component with body component. Psycho-neuro-immuno-endocrine management is told. That's why the end of the treatment of Grahani Roga is Attegni Roga. Basmaka Roga Chikitsa is told. In Basmaka Roga, Apamara Tandula Payasam is told very good. 2 rice are very good. One is the rice of Apamarga, another is Vamsha Shali, that is the bamboo rice. You know, when bamboo gives rice, then it will be drought. When bamboo plant gives rice, in that year there will be drought. That is the ancient concept. So, Attegni Chikitsa is hyperthyroidism. He starts with Grahani Dosha Chikitsa, starts with Agni Chikitsa, starts with Vatapitta Kapha Grahani Chikitsa, ends with one of the hyperthyroidism, hyperparathyroidism. Even one of the beautiful line of treatment is hyperthyroidism is Vatapitta Vikara, where the Panchamata Karpati Kalpas or any Swarna Sutashekara Kalpas can be used, or even you can use one of the drugs available in the market is some of the gemstones are used for manufacturing the drugs, where Kaharva Pishti, Mukta Pishti, these precious stones and aquamarine products are used. They are very good for treating Bhasmaka Roga. In Bhasmaka Roga also, lot of endocrine theories can be taken for research. I think Grahani Chikitsa starts with Agni Chikitsa, Grahani Chikitsa ends with Agni Chikitsa. In Grahani Roga, you should remember, start with Annakalpa, Ushnodhaka Kalpa, end with some of the Asavarishta Kalpa, Sharadhutam and Sneham Brahmana Yogas. Brahmana Yogas. Brahmana Yoga should be given for a certain period of time. One patient is taken some of the Virachanam, some of the Anuvasana and Niruhamasti, patient feels better, don't stop. You have to give Brahmana Grutas for a certain period of time. Shatpala Gruta or even Triyushana Gruta, Tripadu Sadhita Gruta or single drug Grutas like Eshtimadu Gruta. Eshtimadu Gruta is also very good anti-ulcer and it is also anti-oxidant, anti-stress, anti-aging and it is anti-ulcer also. In one of the trials it was noticed that Eshtimadu is going to be ulcerogenic. Ballataka is anti-cancer, Ballataka is carcinogenic. Eshtimadu Gruta is anti-cancer, Eshtimadu Gruta is carcinogenic. These are all because of adulterants. In the name of Eshtimadu, they will mix the root of Gunja. Gunja Moolam is adulterated. In one of the trials, Gunja Moola Taila Rasya, as told by Prashant sir, we did a clinical trial. Gunja Moola Taila Nasya shows 100% improvement in 6 days in Lasya Prayoga for hair fall due to hypothyroidism. Whether thyroid gland improves or not, the lady patients who are having hair fall, hypothyroidism, obesity, PCOD immediately responds for hair fall. No hair oil is required. Only Prativarsha Lasya Prayogam with Gunja Mula Taila Lasyam has shown significant improvement. 45% of hypothyroidism female patient will have hair fall as Pratama Lakshana. In such case, Grahini Dushti can be treated with Eshtimadu. Eshtimadu Krutam is also one of the very handy Rasayana Kalpa. Eshtimadu Ekamula Dravya, Eshtimadu Kalka, Eshtimadu Kshira Sadhita Krutam. Eshtimadu Krutam is anti-ulcer, anti-IBS, and in one of the better line of treatment for IBS D is you have to give Medha Rasayana with Grahini, Deepana Pachana, Sangrahana, Kshara Kruta, Kshara Kutika, Bhunimbadi Kashaya. And if you don't remember anything, Bhunimbadi Kashaya is very effective in Grahini Dosha. In Grahini Dosha Chikitsa, Sanjeevani Vati and Bhunimbadi Kashaya, if you remember these two. When Amavastha is there, Avipatika Churnam, or even Triphala Churnam, Trikatu Churnam, or if you can give 2 tablets, one Triphala tablet and one Trikatu tablet. If you give 2 tablets, patient will definitely improve, and you can add any of the Mustaka Arishtam or Bhallataka Asavam or any other Deepana Pachana Asava Arishtam. With this, I think I conclude my talk on Chikitsa of Grahini.
Thank you so much, sir. One last question left to Dr. Prashant here, sir. Sir, how to think about the pancreatitis condition in the wake of Grahini and how to treat that condition? Please explain.
Pancreatitis cases approaches with the history of acute severe abdominal pain, especially pain over the right hypochondria, and also fatty acid diarrhea, along with other findings like loss of appetite, exhaustion, coating of the tongue, everything. I believe this should be understood in lines of Dhatu Pakavastha. I had a great interaction with many expert physicians because one of my very close friend, he was rolling on the bed with a nerve-breaking pain and catching over the right hypochondrium. That day it opened my eyes whether in Ayurveda there should be a reference. After that, the great lines told in the Shastra, Nidra Nasho Hridistambo, Vishtambo Gauravaruchihi. Patients with these findings will be having disturbed sleep, Hridistamba, very severely aching pain and catch over the epigastrium, Vishtambo Gauravaruchihi, the bowel is not clear, Gurutva and Narochaka. Aratir Balahanishcha will become Durbala day by day, and Arati, lack of sex drive, Balahanishcha Dhatunam Pakarashana. Sambhadyamano Hrudi Namideshe, Pida Jvarartha Angurivichagate. Sambhadyamano Hrudi Namideshe, between the umbilicus and the epigastrium, he will show the area of point of tenderness. See, very clearly, area of point of tenderness is getting highlighted by putting the index finger, Angurivicha Gache, Sakatito, Dhatu, Vafi, Vichadmi. He will be having jora, he will be running fever. Now, if these findings are analyzed very critically, patients of acute severe pancreatitis can be diagnosed on the table with the Ayurvedic labeling. It is not only that, diagnosis is one part. How to approach him? So definitely, there are few drugs in our experience. In addition to that, before concluding the treatment of the pancreatitis, hyperthyroidism as said by Dr. Madhav, hyperthyroidism. Now NCISM is coming up with non-lecture hours. Our practitioners are sitting here. Non-lecture hours. we the senior teacher doesn't understand any of these new teaching methodology concepts and new policies of education, anything. However, we have to get speeded up to our students' speed. Then, वित्तस्य दाह राग पुष्प वाकितः स्वेद क्लेद श्रुति कोतः सदनम मूर्छनम बदः. Any patient of severe pitta prakopa, my dear sir, you show me at the bedside. The student is asking. When myself and my teacher, Professor Hurul sir, were running an OPD, we recited very huge English from the neighboring compound, Law College, JSS Law College. The then vice principal was shouting to his employees like anything and we rushed. Probably today something is going and his name is Professor Babu sir. Long back, I'm telling about 10 years before. Then we made our counseling, Caesar will examine your BP. It was suited like anything. And later he told, I have a very bad work case of hyperthyroidism. Our pitta safeda, daha, raga, gushma, pakita, everything was present with it. And in Atyapini, Atyasa Tishnat Nireva Basmakam Ititate Yaduktam Charake, Narokshina Kafe. There is enunciation. Pittam Prakupitam, all Prakuta Pittavasta, Marat Anugam, Vatanamandi. Therefore, Kampa and Vematu, angerness, disturbed sleep 12%. So, model example for Pitta Prakopa, model example for Atyapini and Basmaprakopa, according to me, it is Graves disorder and hyperthyroidism. Similarly, in Grani Roga, with Tivra Sannipatha Lakshana, pancreatic conditions need to be evaluated and how to approach a case of pancreatitis. I designed a formula. Of course, Mayura is our national bird. If anybody kills Mayura, means he will be there inside. Jai Kisan, Kisan will walk. Jai Jawan is over. So, Mayura Pichavasma, Kapartikavasma, Shankavasma, Kamaduga, Sutashekara and Guru Sattva. Kanika Triviyas are added together and one formula is prepared. Along with the Nimbura, if you give, you will see magics. This is my experience in pancreatitis. You will see magics. Pancreas, one more thing you should remember is, pancreas, if you cut the Karavelaka, Yatha Brahmande and Yatha Pindande, how the Karavelaka look when it is cut into pieces, similarly, pancreatic acid similar, they are going to appear. So then, Karavelaka Prayoga, Karavelaka Patra, Sarsa Prayoga, and Prayoga of this Kanija Dravya. One more very famous combination is Tingin Pushpadi Yoga, Nari Kera Pushpa Yoga. So when you correct Nari Kera Pushpa, lots of crevices will be there. Because it will give shelter to many flies, butterflies, everything. So you have to clean it properly, prepare the cells and give to the patient. So that pancreatic amylase, lipase, so they are getting modified. So in Grahani Roga Adhikara, it is a very broad spectrum of disorders, starting from a very simple condition of GERD, that is Amrapitta, ending with malignancy. Even the role of Escherichia coli, Entamoeba coli, Sabittam, Saphenam, Sabahusha, Parikartikam, Krute, Krita Samjaka. Any BMS student, you ask a question in Vaiva, what is Krute Krita Samjaka? Sir, in Mutram, the Basti Vistodam, Krute Samjaka, in Attamra they have studied, that is the Mutra Uddharshana. No, one more Krite Krita Samjaka is there in the inflammatory bowel disorder, that is Sabittam, Saphenam, Sabahusha, Parikartikam, Krute Krita Samjaka. You will be attending bowel and you will forget. Again, you will go to the rational toilet, whether I have evacuated the fecal material. So this type of scenario will be there in the series of Grahani Rogis and addressing them in each component, every stage, and monitoring. You have to make it cultivated by designing yogas. So Kalpa and their Vikalpa with Guna Sayoga should be the correct answer. So thank you very much.
Thank you both Dr. Prashant Iyer sir and Dr. Madhav Nikare sir for throwing such a It was a very delightful lecture regarding the Grani Dosha Chikitsa. Within a broad umbrella by the name Grani Dosha, all such small conditions and out of the box so many things we have learned today. So I thank both the dignitaries for putting forward their views. So thank you so much, sir. Over to the
Indeed, what a great time and great vibe we experienced, sir. When the Shishya being the moderator and the legendary Gurus being the speakers. Thank you so much, Dr. Madhav Digavi, sir, Dr. Vidyasagar Pansan, sir, and Dr. Prashant Vire, sir. And about the session, it was a gem of the sessions we listened. I thank you once again, and I request Dr. Saurabha S. Kogattur, sir, founder, Tadvidya Sambhashna Parishad, to felicitate the three legendary speakers.
Descending order.
Very honored to have all three eminent personalities. Sagar, I need not tell, he is Vidyahi eva Sagaratve Vartadevi Vidyasagara. So he has abundant knowledge gained by two legendary speakers. The tea and snacks are arranged here itself. If you go, it will not come back. The gate is closed. Gate is closed. Come immediately and we'll be having Pariksha on Charaka Samhita. By the time you finish your tea, the things are here. And the first presenter